Forgotten what I started fighting for. Yet I have to fall upon the floor. Come crashing through the door. Maybe I can find this feeling in your home. Oh yes, yes, Macaulay. Thank you so much, Keisha. Thank you. Asa Vlog, thank you so much, Asa Vlog. And of course, ilan na lang? 50 minutes. Mag-ano na lang tayo, mag-last song na lang. Ang bilis ng oras. Akala ko ano lang, alas 10, ano na pala? 10:20 na? Ay, grabe. She's Gone daw, Lay. Request ni ano? Last song mo? She's Gone? Rakibol, hello. Walang boses si Lay? Nakamute yata. Lay, wala kang boses?
Huwag na mag-request, Ma'am Shi, kasi mag-request yan. Hindi naman yan magpasanag. Ang hirap pa yan ang request niya.
She's got...
Siguro ka ba? Baka patuhin ako ng kapitbahay dito.
Kuya Rom, thank you po. Mag-e-end na kami, Kuya Rom. Thank you so much.
Last na to. Last na to para lumayas na si Batang S. He's gone na.
He's gone?
Ay, wait lang. Tapos sabihin niya, madaya ako. Ayun na, para sa'yo. Para he's gone na. Para you're gone na.
Oh, no!
Try lang to guys, ha? Ma'am perfect ito. Try lang. Hindi ko pa alam to. Makakabawi din ako. Hindi ko pa alam ito dito. Chorus lang. Birahe! Ay, pasanan ka dyan, matatas. Refresh. Nahirapan ako. Hindi ko alam ko, She's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so untrue. I can't live without her love. Asal in my life. Dayakon ko lang ba niya? There's just an empty space of my dreams. I'll stay away. Wala pa. Forgive me. My heart